Hypnotic clock tower, spectre promenade, Atlantean sunrise, daydream shadows, the gossamer palaces, the siren songs, spells and potions, visions and apparitions, animal whisperers, hidden in the fabled lie of sunken islands in the sky, high Brazil, a butterfly, dragon wings, ambrosia, the crystalline patterns, moon maidens, carnival fair, the midway Ferris wheel, a carousel, forgotten dreams drawn from the lyrics of birdsong, spyglass, telescope minstrels, artisans, spectral trails, refracted rainbows reflected in the sun, mirror images, witches' shoes, archipelagos, enchanted fabled city, paper birds, the painted garden.